In this video, you will learn how to review and respond to event prerequisites when submitting a bid using SAP Ariba. In some sourcing events, the City of Edmonton will use one or several prerequisite questions as a way of controlling access to the entire event. Suppliers must respond to these mandatory prerequisite questions in order to view and respond to the sourcing event. In this video, we will demonstrate how to identify and respond to these prerequisite questions. The first step when submitting a bid on SAP Ariba is to access the sourcing event that your company is interested in bidding on. Start by accessing the event. You can do so by clicking on the event name in the proposals application within SAP Ariba Discovery. Click Review Prerequisites at the top of the page. The second step when submitting a bid on SAP Ariba is to review and respond to the bidder's agreement. On this page, you'll see the bidder agreement, which is mandatory for every City of Edmonton sourcing event. You must review the entire bidder's agreement, and once you're done reviewing the agreement, click Done. Once you're redirected back to the prerequisite page, select I accept the terms of this agreement in order to view and respond to the City of Edmonton sourcing event. The third step when submitting a bid on SAP Ariba is to review the prerequisite content and respond to any prerequisite questions. If there are prerequisite questions required to proceed with the event, you will need to see a copy of the sourcing event content below the bidder's agreement. This copy may not contain all of the information that you will require to respond to the event. It is therefore important that you respond to any prerequisite questions in order to view the event in its entirety. Start by reviewing the event for prerequisite questions. You can identify prerequisite questions by the green gating icon that is beside the question. Respond to any questions with the green icon beside them and then scroll to the bottom of the event and select OK. When you are scrolling through the prerequisite section, review the content and ensure you do not miss answering any of the required questions. If you see the following message, it means that you have missed responding to a prerequisite question and need to return to the Review and Accept Prerequisites tab, where you'll need to respond to all of the prerequisite questions. You can do so by clicking on the blue Review Prerequisites button, which is located at the top of the screen. Once you've completed all prerequisite questions, select OK at the bottom of the screen. The fourth step when submitting a bid on SAP Ariba is to submit the prerequisite questions. When the Submit Response window prompts you, select OK to submit the prerequisite questions and to be taken to the contents of the full event. Now that we have submitted the prerequisite questions, we can now see the contents of the full event. In the next video, we will cover how to submit a response to a sourcing event in SAP Ariba. In this video, we have learned how to view and accept the bidder's agreement, and we have also learned how to review and respond to the event prerequisites.